right, so before we begin, so as you'll get in a sec, this is a song. And we're going to sing most of it all the way through, but there is a chorus, and you will get the gist of it by the end of it. So when we get to the last page, it's right here on the floor for us, but when we get to the last page, I will hold it up, and everybody can chime in.
And admire our beautiful singing voices.
Yes, because only Joseph can really sing.
And Molly. And Molly.
And Brandon.
And actually, Steven's pretty good.
And John.
I mean, in our group.
And Ollie.
Okay. Joseph and Molly.
All right.
That's a side Joseph.
Yeah.
Smiles go bright in the chapel tonight, not a coordinator to be seen. We all come here with a vision, but we're leaving with a dream. We're all zipped up, Bruce ready to fall down. Oh hell, what do we do now?
260 pounds?
A little cranky without a nap. I hope sometime we'll have a gap. Discuss debate at LeaderShape. Well, here we go. LeaderShape at Penn State. With Tom and Chris as guides. LeaderShape at Penn State. Allergies are killing my eyes. I don't care what they're going to say. Pack on the pounds. I'm gonna eat it all anyway.
Stop for a second.
It's fun.
Our perspective makes everything seem small. The fear of burning issues, we can't address them all. It's time to see what we can do to test the limits and break through. There's right, there's wrong, there's rules for C. I'm a king! LeaderShape at Penn State, with Tom and Chris as guides. LeaderShape at Penn State, allergies are killing my eyes. I don't care what they're going to say. Pack on the pounds. I'm gonna eat it all anyway. Our vision's clear and we know what we have to do. But it's much easier when I am here with all